Hi everyone, this is Cindy Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with my October I Was Oh So Inspired collaboration project. So I was hoping to make more than one card, but life kind of got in the way. Everything's been really busy in my house with travel, baseball, and dance, and just life in general. So anyway, I did make a card, and the card is kind of like I guess, not really a fun fold card, but kind of a different style card. And so if you see the inspiration piece, it's actually really, really simple to make. So I took a regular 5.5 by 4.25 card base, and then I cut 3/4 of an inch, because that's how much space that I wanted for the side. 3/4 of an inch off of the top panel. And then all I did was line the inside. I'm using the Candy Carnival, I think it's called, by Doodlebug, the 6x6. And so, piece there. So what I did was I just laid my piece down here. And then this is a cut apart from the collection. It says, "You're beautiful." And then on the front, I layered some paper from the front. And then these are actually from last year's collection. They're the little ephemera pieces. It says "Best Costume," a little pumpkin. And then I did some enamel dots. And then you open up, it says "You're beautiful." And so I just thought it was just really a cute, simple little Halloween card, but kind of like gives it a little bit of style having it cut this way. And so it's just really easy to make. So be sure that you visit all of the ladies that are in the collaboration. They're going to have lots of different inspiration pieces for you. And then if you're going to join in, make sure that you use the hashtags that are in the description box so that we can click on it and find your projects so that we can see what you have made being oh so inspired. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.